Hey y'all, this is Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am back for entry number 6 into my birthday anniversary challenge. Now, I have asked in my challenge to provide 1 Memory Dex and 1 Crafter's Choice. Now, I can't show you the front because it's got personal information, but I'm going to see, I wanted to make sure. Do you see how much she spent on sending this to me? This is not a bad thing. This is a good thing because so many of us spend so much money on shipping. And I just want to let you know that you can enter my challenge and not spend a ton of money. So, I want to make sure that anybody who wants to can enter. So, this is what we got. I've only slit the envelope open. So, oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Let's see. I'm guessing with a flat envelope, with flat mail, that this would possibly be, yeah, I would guess that this is possibly her Crafter's Choice. And that's fine. It's gorgeous. Do you see that? I'm hoping, I'm going to tilt it because all this is sparkle. And I love fairies, y'all. Gorgeous. Do you see all that? I know I might have a little shadow, and I apologize. It's pretty late. I'm trying to be a little quiet. But that is so pretty. Oh, my goodness. I love it. I'm going to lay it down because, like I said, sometimes y'all can see it better when I lay it down than when I hold it up. So, this is, yeah. So, she's got a card. So, that would be her Crafter's Choice. And I'm so blessed by it because y'all just don't do cards. Y'all are learning that about me. Let me make sure it's in frame. And then, do you see her embellishment? I mean, her Memory Dex. It's so pretty. It's the darker purple, which I love. It's got the butterfly, which I love. Bling. Flowers. Bow. More sparkle. How can you not love it? So this is from Lisa Douglas here on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Lisa Douglas. Lisa Douglas. Douglas. Let's see. She's got October 30th on here. So I'm guessing that's her birthday. And so you got a birthday coming up soon. So happy early birthday to you. Her favorite colors are purple, orange, pink, and anything mystical. Her crafty store is the Dollar Tree items because I can afford it. I understand that, sweetheart. I definitely understand that. So, see? You don't have to spend tons of money on shipping, and you don't have to do these big packages. You can enter my challenge and get just as much. She already did a VR, and I appreciate that, sweetheart. But you can enter my challenge, big or small. I am grateful for it all. Hey, that rhymed a little bit. Thank you, Miss Lisa. I'm going to link her channel in the description box below. Y'all, please check her out. She's so sweet. She's so supportive. And as you can see, she's also very talented. So thank y'all so much for each and every entry. I mean, I'm up to 6. So I'm just absolutely touched that y'all feel like I'm worthy to be, enter into a challenge. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, I truly, truly wish you the best.